Unboxing your new high-source NFT hydroponics system. Unbox and organize pipes and fittings as shown. Sort pipes from tallest to smallest. These pipes correspond with printed instructions. Pipe number 1 being the tallest and pipe number 5 being the smallest. A simple solution to avoid harmful PVC glue is to use a rubber band around the channel end cap. This also allows you to remove and clean the end caps, break the system down, and tailor it to your needs. Add the end caps to each channel. Ensure the rubber band remains flat and equal as you push the end cap into the channel. This will prevent leaks in the future. The next step is creating the base legs. Your system may include pipe 4, which is 20 centimeters, or contain pipe 2, which is 30 centimeters. If you do not have a pipe number 4, it is okay to use pipe number 2. The most important part of this design is the water flow and management. The block T connectors must be accurate or water will not flow to channels and lead to flooding. The kit includes 2 threaded T connectors. Make sure you separate these connectors from the block T connectors. The threaded connectors are used for the inlet and drainage valves. This step is creating the base legs and drainage valve. The bases will be used to create 2 frames. 1 frame for each side of the hydroponics system connected by NFT channels. Frame 1 is referenced as the drainage valve side. This is important to note because when you install the water inlet valve, it must be done on the same side. Adherence to the direction of the block T connectors is critical in these steps or water will not flow correctly. As we continue to assemble frame 1, we encourage you to leave a review and give feedback for our products. We want our systems to be affordable alternates to traditional gardens. Many families are limited in space for gardening. Hydroponics offers scalable growth in confined spaces while being more sustainable than traditional farming. Your feedback is valued and we are always trying to improve our systems. Our systems were built on do-it-yourself principles, making corrections and adjustments are rooted in design. Frame 2 does not mirror frame 1. The orientation and pipe sizes are opposite of frame 1. This creates the flow management by allowing gravity to move the water to the channels below. With both frames complete, it is time to add the channels. Channels should be level and not leaning right or left from the end cap. This will negate water flow. You can always adjust the angles of the channels later. You shouldn't worry about getting it perfect at this step. Repeat the same steps as you did to create the base legs and drainage valve. Make sure the water inlet valve aligns with frame 1 and is on the same side as the drainage valve. Once assembled, this is a great time to tighten the joints by squeezing and pressing the pipes further into the connections. The goal is to get the frame level and stable. Note that the channels are designed to slope. The important part of the water test is finding balance between water flow and water drainage. Additionally, checking for system leaks. Open the water drainage valve and close the water inlet valve before turning on the pump. The goal is to slowly open the water inlet valve to find the balance between drainage. If more water enters the system than it can drain, the bottom tiers risk flooding. The system offers high-quality NFT channels used in commercial farming. Water leaks are inevitable for any system. In the case of a leak, remove the end cap and replace the rubber band or gasket. If the leak persists, 2 rubber bands may need to be used. Clear PVC glue and silicone can be used to seal end caps as well if needed. Thank you for using the HighSource NFT system. Empowering households to grow scalable fresh produce through sustainable hydroponics is our mission.